that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you aboard. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right rudder, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the lost city.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
Our destination today is quite extraordinary. A newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event. Steer 40 degrees.
Right rudder, 40 degrees.
Mind your distance to port and starboard.
Aye, aye, sir.
As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind, the coral reef. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
Radar 1, service door ahead, sir.
No worries, we'll take it down fast and deep. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80. We're approaching targeted depth, sir.
Level of 180 fathoms.
80 fathoms.
Set course to 70 degrees true. Steady as she goes.
Aye, sir.
The fish world has always been considered a silent habitat. But now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Where are you? Too deep for you.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great. There's so much to know. I'm aboard Explorers. It's time to go.
What if Nemo's swimming out the sea?
Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for him along the way.
Nemo! Yeah, I see, dude. It'll be like, whoa, and like, whoa, and whoa. Let's go. Follow me to the EAC.
Lost again. Nemo!
Captain, we're approaching the EAC.
Hold her steady, take her into the current. All ahead standard.
Aye, aye.
The powerful flow of the East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Hey, Dad, I got Nemo.
Welcome to the EAC, Minnie Marlin.
This is fun. We're gonna hit the
This is not funny, and I know funny. I'm a clownfish. Nemo!
Wow. It's a big sunken butt. See.
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help. Oh,
It's Nemo!
where?
I don't know where. That's why we're trying to hunt.
By who?
My son Nemo. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together, which you don't remember at all.
Is he orange with white stripes and looks kind of like you, only smaller?
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who?
Don't worry. We're not going to eat you. At least not all at once. No, Bruce. Remember the pledge. Right then. I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends, not food. Right then, mates. Easy does it. You wouldn't want one of these balloons. Oh. Easy.
Secure on station. System J.
Holding steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead full.
Hey, Stuart. What are those twinkling things? I don't know. Race in there. Okay, go.
Dory? Dory?
Wait,
What?
I see pretty lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting closer.
Something touched me.
It's me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anybody. It's me.
Do I know you?
Dory.
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory too.
What's that? Looks like...
Ooh, me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of
That's jellyfish.
You're good. And I'm thinking
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
Mr. Smarty Pants. Boing.
Stop playing games.
Come on, it's fun.
No, Dory. We're invited to a party. Let's go.
I love parties. I found the hot tub.
It's not about finding hot tubs. It's about finding Nemo.
Right behind.
Nemo, I found you. I was so worried.
Did you guys notice the erosion volcano?
Nemo, say something.
Can we do it again, Dad? Huh? Can we?
Oh, of course. When fish can fly.
I found Chico.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Yay! Nemo! Hey, Pearl! We saw a huge volcano go kaboom! Oh, you made me eat! Volcano!
Oh, give me some fed. Noggin.
Dude! This is a whale! A krill! It was that whale eating that yellow submarine, dude! Whoa! That's one hungry whale! Sandy Plankton's never gonna believe this! Awesome!
Does that smell kind of whalish to you? Is it me? That's funny. Sounded like, hold on tight. I'm gonna. Just keep keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? We swim.
Crikey.
Should I enter any of this into the log?
No, mate, forget it. Nobody would believe it anyway. We better take her up before we have a run-in with a sea serpent or an encounter with a mermaid.
Aye, aye, Captain.
We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for